Hi guys, it's Lucia at Lushspaces. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back. I was just thinking about videos that I could do for you on different topics. And as you know, I'm a garden designer, so I wanted to create a special playlist for those of you that are out and about, you are in your gardens and thinking what else you could do in your garden to make it more appealing. So I want to give you some tips and tricks. I want to talk about different styles, different plantings, different layouts of the gardens, and how a garden designer thinks and how a garden designer comes to his or her final design. So I hope this will give you some value. I hope it will be helpful. If you do have any questions, let me know. If you do have any ideas for videos that you would like to see, also don't hesitate to ask. I'd be really, really grateful if you would do that. It would give me some ideas as well of what you want to see. This is going to be more of an introduction to garden design, just something to give you an idea. So let's not drag this any further and let's start. So making the most of your garden space depends partially on design and partially on planting. So if you want a low maintenance garden, then obviously the emphasis should be on hard landscaping, on ground cover, and on low maintenance plants. On the other side, if you are a plant lover, then it's important to put the emphasis on the planting space. But obviously choosing the right plants in proportion with the available space is vital in both cases. You will find a lot of ideas that will help you from the initial point up to the execution, but sometimes really it's just those minor changes that you need to change your garden, to transform it into something that you were looking for. There's a lot of ideas about features and structures that can be really helpful and are really simple. And also choosing the appropriate plants can be the key to ensure that your garden design works well. And there's obviously thousands and thousands, if not more, of different plants for different purposes, for different roles, different sites. But the most important thing to remember is that you have to put the right plant into the right place. And also size of the plant is very important, especially in the smaller gardens. So usually when you look at a catalog or online, you do have different spreads, different heights of the plants according to their age. But please bear in mind that the size of the plant also depends on the soil, on the climate, and on the position or location. And some trees and shrubs can be kept compact by pruning. So for example, Buddleia or eucalyptus, if they're left unpruned, they can get quite tall and big. So for small gardens, that wouldn't be really appropriate. And therefore, you can keep them in a nice shape when you prune them severely each year. And although you will find a lot of different ideas online or in different books or magazines, I think that successful design isn't actually created by strict, rigid formula, but it should leave space for individual interpretation or even eccentricity. Some gardens are designed to shock. Some are more designed on the traditional concept. A few are strictly formal, but many of the nice gardens that work well are actually based on a compromise between formality and informality. And there are as many garden styles as there are tastes, but I think the only criteria for a success in a design is whether the design result actually pleases you personally. So that was it, a little introduction about garden design. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you did get some value. I know it wasn't too much of information, but it is like just a little teaser into the whole area of garden design. There is loads to learn. So please like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will be thinking of many more topics to give you. As I said, if you do have any ideas, please do contact me, let me know what you want to see. And until then, I will see you in the next one. Bye.